Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to write a tourist visa cover letter. This is a key document you'll need when applying for a tourist visa, and writing it properly can really make a difference in how your application is received. So let's get into the step-by-step breakdown of this letter. We'll go through each section in the exact order it appears in the template and talk about what you need to write, why it matters, and how to make it sound natural and professional. Your personal information. The very first part of your letter should include your personal contact details. These appear right at the top and are aligned to the left. You want to start with your full name, followed by your full address, your city, state, and zip code. Then add your email address and phone number. This section is important because it clearly identifies who is sending the letter and provides contact information in case the visa officer needs to follow up. Here's an example from the template: your full name, your full address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. Make sure the details here match the information on your official documents. Consistency really helps to build trust and make your application look more credible. Date of writing. Next, you add the date when you're writing this letter. This should appear just a few lines under your contact information. The format should be clear and standard, like April 20th, 2025. It's a simple step, but don't skip it. It shows that your letter is current and supports the timeline of your application. Embassy or consulate information. Now we move on to the recipient's details. This is where you write the information of the embassy or consulate where you're submitting your application. You can write the visa officer, the name of the embassy or consulate, the full address of the embassy, the city and country. For example, the visa officer, embassy or consulate name, embassy or consulate address, city, country. This section personalizes your letter to the correct authority and ensures it reaches the right department. Subject line. After the address block, you include a subject line. This tells the reader what your letter is about at a glance. Write it like this: Subject, cover letter for tourist visa application. This is short, clear, and to the point. It immediately shows that your letter is part of a visa application package and lets the visa officer know what to expect. Salutation. Now comes the greeting or salutation. In visa letters, it's common to use a formal greeting like "Dear Sir" or "Madam." This is polite and professional, especially when you don't know the name of the officer who will be reading your letter. It's a safe and respectful way to begin. Opening paragraph, stating your purpose. In the first paragraph of your letter, you need to explain the purpose of your letter, that you're applying for a tourist visa. You should also mention your travel dates, your nationality, your current residence, and what you plan to do in the country you're visiting. From the template, I am writing to formally apply for a tourist visa to country name, as I plan to visit from start date to end date for tourism purposes. I am a your nationality citizen currently residing in your country, and I would like to explore the culture, history, and landmarks of country name, including mention a few tourist attractions or cities you intend to visit. This paragraph sets the tone for your entire application. It shows that your intention is tourism, not work or immigration. Be honest, and if possible, include specific attractions or cities. This shows that your trip is well planned and genuine. Second paragraph, proving ties to your home country. The next paragraph is all about demonstrating that you have strong reasons to return home after your trip. You want to show that your visit is temporary. The template says, I am currently employed as your occupation at company name, and I have been granted leave for the intended travel period. I have attached a letter from my employer confirming my leave approval. I also confirm that I will return to my home country before the visa expiry date, as I have work commitments and personal ties that require my presence. This paragraph is extremely important. Visa officers want to make sure that applicants won't overstay their visas. So talk about your job, your responsibilities, your family ties, or anything else that proves you have strong reasons to return. Mentioning a letter from your employer adds credibility and shows that your time away has been formally approved. Third paragraph, financial and travel arrangements. In the third paragraph, you need to reassure the visa officer that you have the resources to support yourself during your trip and that you've planned your travel responsibly. From the template, I will be fully financing my trip, and I have enclosed evidence of my financial stability, including recent bank statements, income proof, and a travel itinerary. My accommodation bookings, round-trip flight tickets, and travel insurance are also included with this application. This is your chance to show that you're prepared. If you're covering all expenses yourself, say so clearly and back it up with documents. Mention any travel bookings you've made, such as hotel reservations and flights, and highlight that you've also secured travel insurance. Including these details builds trust. It shows that your trip is well organized, that you're not depending on anyone else to fund your stay, and that you intend to leave on time. Closing paragraph, final request and availability. In the final paragraph, you wrap up your letter by politely asking for the visa and offering to provide additional information if needed. The example says, "I kindly request you to consider my application and grant me a tourist visa. Should you need any further documentation or information, please feel free to contact me." Keep this tone respectful and cooperative. It's a simple way to close out the letter while leaving the door open for follow-up questions. Complimentary close, signing off. To finish the letter, include a formal closing. Use the word "sincerely." This is professional and appropriate for formal visa letters. Follow this with your full name again to make it clear who the sender is. Your full name. If you're submitting a hard copy, you should also sign the letter above your name. And that's it, guys. That's how you write a complete, well-organized tourist visa cover letter. We followed the template step by step, from your personal details to your final sign-off. Each part of this letter has a purpose, whether it's proving your travel intentions, showing financial readiness, or confirming you'll return home on time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. I've got more visa letter breakdowns, job application guides, and all kinds of writing tips coming your way. And if you have a specific letter you want help with, drop a comment below and I'll try to cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.